Right, YouTube, got that cut off. It's pretty much what it looks like when it's cut, like that. It's the 2 bars that were on it. Yeah, this part right here, I think I'm gonna say I'm gonna work this part out or recreate it with the rectangle tubing. So I'll figure it out, see what I'm gonna do. I cut those rectangle square tubings out. I cut this little piece out from the other bar, and I'm just gonna recreate it to this square tubing. Pretty much weld that right there and drill that and make that shape in there, and it's gonna connect pretty much to that. So I got one off. I got them both cut out. I used them vice grips to pin it down real tight, and I'm just finna weld it on there and recreate the shape that it is. It should be pretty easy. Alright, YouTube, I cleaned it up so you can see it a lot better. This is pretty much what I was talking about. And I'm just gonna cut this part out of it and drill that hole, and it should go right on there. Easiest way to create this shape, I drilled the hole on top. It's gonna create a hole right there. And I just got the cutter and I cut straight back. Straight back on both sides, and you can create that shape in there. Okay, so we pretty much got both of them on right here. All we gotta do is measure it, make a crossbar to connect both ends, and connect it to the other part of the bike, and we'll be all set. On to the next part. Let's cut that crossbar. Down, and I decided to fit like a square piping over it. That square piping is gonna fit over that, which goes on to the 2 bars that handles the big wheel that we have over here. I'm gonna cut that out, fit that in there, weld that to that, and weld this square piece to this, which it all connects. And I'm drilling this out right now. You can see how I do that. Pretty much I'm gonna drill holes out in the corner, then I'm gonna get a cutter wheel and cut the lines out, which makes it very easy to make this shape. Alright. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is keep that in there nice and straight. It's kind of loose now, but that's okay. welded nice and straight in there, and pretty much get this part right here in there and weld that to that. So that's next. Okay, I pretty much know what I want to do with the steering wheel. I want to pretty much turn it all the way till it hits this, but pull it back so it doesn't really hit it. So that's pretty much what I wanted. And we'll weld it right here and here. Clean all this up so we can see metal. And it's pretty much where it can be at. I already did my measurements of the frame sitting down, so this should be cool right here. Okay, YouTube, I pretty much got the handlebars where I want them. Keep it still. Pretty much got the handlebars where I want them. I use these vice grips to hold it on to this little metal piece right here. And all we have to do is weld this side and the other side, and it'll be it. Let's do it.